Hello everybody. I want to give everybody an update on the 20,000 BTU weather wheel. Made some good progress on it last couple days. Chassis all cleaned. Coils have been new brighted. They come out pretty good. Condenser's certainly way better than it was before. There was a little rot down here at the last coil, but not anything of any significance. The evap came out good. It's clean. Cleaned in here where all the controls were. And inside here you see the base pan. It's nice and clean. Tested the base pan, make sure it's functioning as it should. I noticed this on my other weather wheel too. This back panel, which has got some sort of black material on it, felt material, whatever. It had a thick coat of grease over it that came off as I was degreasing it. Same thing on my other weather wheel. I don't know if that's something that was coated on there that the degreaser just eats up, or if it's just from being slung around over the years. The compressor's painted. I had to just lightly clean it and I dusted it with some black paint. Most of the original paint was still good on it. And the sides of the condenser, which were rusty, I primed and painted black, which I think will look alright. So I'm probably going to paint the shroud black. And the tray is primed with the rusty primer. I use this. I know Russ says he brushes, but I happen to like it in the can, the spray can. I'm pretty certain it's the same paint. This might cure a little faster, but so there's a little rust in the front here that I cleaned up. Everything's been wire wheeled, scraped, blah blah blah. So now Russ made a video this morning telling me about the JB Weld stuff, 5-minute epoxy. So I made a dam here with some painter's tape, and I given the first coat everywhere. Because there's a lot of it, I imagine it's going to take more than 5 minutes to cure. Although that does feel like the tape is getting a little harder now, so it's probably just doing its thing. Pretty liberal coat there already, so I'll let that dry maybe an hour or two, and hopefully it'll be hard enough where I can put another layer. This side is going to be tricky to build out. It's going to require, I think, many layers. And of course there is always Bondo I could go over if I really want some material, but that doesn't give much strength. That's just going to be cosmetic. So it's pretty good. I mean, yeah, this is a little rusty here where there would be metal around the styrofoam, but the styrofoam is intact and the water comes out. I've got some of that black push caulk. I'm going to push that back in here on the base. I'm not sure if I'll be able to edit this together. And then the blower motor, I had it all masked off. That's as clean as it goes. There's a light coat of rust on it and some caked grease. I'm not sure how crazy I want to go with it, because last weather wheel, I think I ate up some paper on the windings and it was shorting out. And then the bearings got unseated, and it was a real mess to get it going. I did save it, and the low-speed winding, which didn't work well, healed itself up after a few months of operation. But so this I might try cleaning a little more by hand, and I'm okay with it even if it has some patina. It's not going to get any worse. So that's kind of where we are with everything. Like I said, everything's clean. Waiting for this epoxy to set, and I'll do another layer tonight. And I might have to do another layer tomorrow. And then I'll be painting it. And I'm not sure which paint I'm going to use yet. I got this. This was the paint I was mentioning on the page earlier. It's an Ace khaki color. It looks really close to the original paint. It might be a tinge darker, so that might be something to think of using. I might use that on the base tray and paint a couple of the pieces that need to be painted, the shroud and such. So Well, anyway, so this is where we are with the weather wheel. It's coming along. I think, I might have it, be able to do a test video of it, early next week. So, another interesting thing to note: these evaporators, all these smashed in here, that's from the factory. They just jammed them in. Tried straightening it, but my tool wouldn't go in the top part. I was able to get the front of the coil straight, and frankly, it's not going to matter in operation that the top row, which is above the first row of lines, is squished. Look at that. There's a little extra reserve capacity in here. So yeah, that's where we are here. So we'll talk to you soon.